educationists who have given their immense contribution in the field of education. Today the theme is NEP and the road ahead for schools for the same, and how this policy will be integrated ahead in future in the schools. So let's see what these educationists have to say, and let's take their insights and perspectives. And I am standing right in front of Ms. Anju.
Dr. Anju Malhotra.
Correct. So I would like to know your views on the NEP. So how do you think we are looking forward to the implementation of this policy, ma'am?
Yes, very true. As far as this NEP is concerned, I am very optimistic about it. And I'm sure a lot depends on the educators, right? The teachers, and actually, all the stakeholders. I must say teachers, students, and parents. Everything depends on them. It's a sort of triangle. Where we have to really make this policy happen and bring it to the reality.
Absolutely.
And NEP, of course, it's a very dynamic. I must say, a very dynamic and a living document. It's not just a policy, as I mentioned earlier also to you. It's not just a policy. It's a mission. So we all have to come together, of course, to experience it actually. And if we see practically, as far as the younger generation is concerned, when we know that India has got the largest number of the young population, so it is very important, keeping this thing in mind, that we have to let our children think. We have to produce the critical thinkers. Absolutely. Right? We have to create the problem solvers.
Absolutely.
Right? And of course, this NEP has really given us and shown us a direction for that.
Right. Ma'am, so as you said that NEP to 2020 is more a mission than it's a policy. So ma'am, do you think that this mission may be helpful in removing the rote learning process which exists in India?
Certainly, of course, the basic tagline, of course, is this only, from content to competency. Right. So we need to develop, and create more competencies. It's like earlier, there were people, especially the children, they were not allowed to either think or question. But I believe that instead of that, we really need to create this kind of environment, the learning environment in the classrooms, and not just the classrooms, even outside, to let the children and the people think more, right? So it is all about the thought process, what they are going to do.
Absolutely.
Right? And I'm sure that, because it talks right from, say, it's not just the 10+2 system, since now, it is covering the early age, that age also has been addressed in this policy very gracefully, very impactfully. So I'm sure, those 15 years of education which the children are going to get, India will be really a different India, right? So we are going to think globally, but we are going to act, locally. Yes. So we are going to really highlight and emphasize on that aspect.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Proud to be an Indian. That's very important.
So thank you for watching this video, and stay connected with Fairgaze for more such engagements. I hope this video gave you, a better perspective and a better insights from these educational leaders on the NEP 2020, and you can find us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter. And please share this video and stay updated with Fairgaze. Thank you.